In today's presentation, we're going to delve into 3 groundbreaking online business concepts that harness the power of AI. And the beauty of it all? It won't cost you a dime. So if you're ready to elevate your earnings to uncharted heights, you've found the right presentation. Stick around till the end as we navigate through these brilliant ideas. Let's dive right in. Revolutionary AI-driven ventures that spell success. Idea number 1. Launch your AI-powered photo enhancement app. In this visually driven digital realm, the worth of an image is skyrocketing. A single image can amass thousands of likes, shares, and retweets. This phenomenon has triggered a high demand for photo editing tools that empower users to effortlessly enhance, retouch, and transform their pictures. Welcome AI-driven photo editing apps, the novel innovation in this arena. These apps employ artificial intelligence to automate the laborious tasks tied to photo editing, blemish removal, lighting adjustments, cropping, and more. This empowers users to focus on their creative inclinations, such as color harmonizing and composition. If you're eyeing an AI-based photo editing app business, here's your roadmap. Conduct thorough research, grasp the market dynamics, and identify gaps in existing photo editing apps. Discover trends in AI-powered photo editing. Define your audience. Pinpoint your target users, photographers, social media enthusiasts, or a different niche. Align your app's features and marketing with their preferences. Develop cutting-edge features. Your AI skills will shine here. Map out the app's editing capabilities, from blemish removal to background alterations and innovative filters. Craft your app. If coding isn't your forte, enlist a developer's expertise to craft your app's functionalities. Rigorous testing. Ensure your app is glitch-free and user-friendly across devices. Launch with finesse. Roll out your app via app stores or your website once you're satisfied with it. Create buzz. Employ social media, online ads, and other channels to market your app. Quick tips for success. Collaborate with photographers to fine-tune your app. Stay ahead of the AI photo editing trends. Success takes time. Persistence is key. Idea number 2. Forge an AI marketing agency. AI is reshaping marketing, and businesses are eagerly embracing AI-driven solutions to amplify their outreach, bolster conversion rates, and bolster their profit margins. This surge in demand has paved the way for the rapid growth of AI marketing agencies. Venturing into the realm of AI marketing? Here's your guide. Mastery of AI marketing. Grasp the nuances of AI marketing tools, techniques, and their potential in meeting diverse marketing goals. Choose your niche. Identify industries ripe for AI marketing adoption. Think e-commerce, retail, and healthcare. Skill up. Develop expertise in data science, machine learning, and business development, essential for a thriving AI marketing agency. Brand building. Develop a professional online presence, website, marketing plan, and robust social media footprint. Spread the word. Market your services through online ads, networking, and building strong client relationships. Showcase results. Deliver tangible results that demonstrate the value of AI marketing to clients. Pro tips. Collaborate with businesses already delving into AI marketing. Stay abreast of AI marketing trends for a competitive edge. Patience is key to building a successful AI marketing agency. Idea number 3. Shape an AI writing tool. AI-powered writing tools are riding a wave of popularity, enabling the swift creation of high-quality content for a multitude of purposes. Leveraging extensive language models, these tools are revolutionizing content generation. Embarking on the journey of AI writing tool? Here's your compass. Define objectives. Determine the scope of your AI writing tool, its capabilities, target audience, and content types. Collect data. Amass a diverse pool of data to train your AI model effectively. Select the right AI model. Choose an AI model suited to your content generation goals, factoring in data volume and desired output quality. Model training. Dedicate time to adequately train your AI model using your dataset. User-friendly interface. Design an intuitive interface that ensures seamless interaction with your AI writing tool. Testing and refinement. Rigorously testing your tool, gathering user feedback to enhance its functionality. Deployment. Make your tool available as a web app, mobile app, or software program. Additional tips for success. A vast and diverse dataset is crucial. Opt for an AI model tailored to your content requirements. Invest ample time in training your AI model. Prioritize a user-friendly interface. Test, refine, and iterate based on user feedback. The road to creating an AI writing tool is intricate, but the rewards can be immense. By following these steps, you'll be well equipped to craft a tool that streamlines content creation. While these businesses can undoubtedly boost your finances, it's worth noting that in our dynamic world, amassing wealth is only the start. The real differentiator between the 1% and the rest lies in how money is managed. To unravel the aspect further, explore our video for invaluable insights. Before we wrap up, if you found this content valuable, do consider subscribing, hitting the like button and ringing the bell, and sharing it with your friends. This ensures you've always been in the loop. Thanks for tuning in as we journey through these transformative business ideas.